extra stuff, like some stuff in your game file and extra stuff in config directory. Also, actually, you are not developing simple application. Probably use service-oriented architecture, and then your project is split in multiple applications like admin, billing, API, and you must also deploy it. And you probably feel that something is not good because you must copy and paste configurations in the recipes, and you will have the application deployment code mix, and this is all hard to maintain. So what can be a solution? KubHub, actually you can think this is a single place for all your configurations and recipes, and itself KubHub is a concept. It means that you need just single deployment. It's actually not hard to create it. It follows don't repeat yourself principle. You segregate application and deployment. You segregate actually configurations in the recipes. We don't use Capistrano hex. You use it supports multi-configurations, and file layout is flexible, so it means you are not forced to use some special layout. So what is the benefits? Benefits, obvious, is that you have centralized application, code is reusable, and security policies means that all your passwords and SSH keys are in single place, and also you can restrict access to this repository, so a developer can just concentrate on developing actual application, not deployment. This is example of possible layout. You can just install simple game KubHub. It will generate such structure for you. Actually, we have implemented it. The Capistrano multi-config is a core implementation of KubHub concept. It looks like multi-stage extension, but it's not only about stages, it's about any configuration. And it supports unlimited recursive configurations. So this is quick comparing multi-stage versus multi-config. You can see that it supports multiple nested levels. Invocation is simple. It's the same actually as multi-stage. This is also, as I said, you are not forced to use some special layout. You can organize, for example, files per application project or per environment stage. So, or you can use any mix of them. Also, important feature of multi-stage or multi-configuration, it supports behavior configurations. So when you can reuse variables in top-level configurations, and it will be reused, inherited, and used in next configurations. Also, we have extracted from our deployment cycle a lot of, not a lot, of course, some games. It can be very useful. Please check our repository. So, thanks. Read our blogs, follow us, see our activity.